Buckwheat is a fantastic ingredient, packed with nutrients. It's really good for you and your overall health. It's got a nutty flavor that's quite unique. You can make a delicious pilaf with it easily. Buckwheat is a great source of protein and energy. It's also full of fiber and important minerals for your body. This recipe is easy to make. It's really tasty. Let's get cooking. First, we need to toast the buckwheat. Get a large pan and place it on the stove. Make sure the pan is clean and dry before you start. Put it on medium heat. This is important because we want to toast the buckwheat evenly without burning it. Add 1 cup of buckwheat to the pan. Make sure to spread it out evenly so that each grain gets toasted properly. Toast it for about 5 minutes. Keep stirring continuously to prevent the buckwheat from sticking to the pan or burning. You'll start to smell a lovely nutty aroma. This is a good sign that the buckwheat is toasting nicely and is almost ready. Now add 2 cups of water to the pan. Be careful as the pan will be hot and the water might splatter. Bring it to a boil. This will help the buckwheat absorb the water and cook evenly. Then, turn the heat down to low. This is crucial for simmering the buckwheat without overcooking it. Cover the pan with a lid and let it simmer. This will trap the steam and help cook the buckwheat thoroughly. Cook it for about 15 minutes. Check occasionally to ensure it's not drying out. Your buckwheat base is now ready to be used in your recipe. While the buckwheat cooks, let's prepare our veggies. Start by chopping 1 medium-sized onion. Onions add a wonderful depth of flavor to our dish and will be the first to hit the pan. Next, mince 2 cloves of garlic. Garlic brings a rich aroma and a slight kick to the mix. Then, chop 1 carrot into small pieces. Carrots add a touch of sweetness and a vibrant orange color. Slice half a bell pepper. Bell peppers are not only colorful, but also provide a crisp texture. Dice half a zucchini. Zucchini is mild and will soak up the flavors beautifully. Heat some olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add the chopped onions. Cook them until they're soft and translucent, stirring occasionally. This should take about 5 minutes. Then add the minced garlic. Cook for 1 minute just until the garlic becomes fragrant. Now add the rest of the chopped veggies to the pan. Stir everything together and cook until the vegetables are tender but still have a bit of crunch, which should take around 7–10 minutes. This mix of colors and textures will make our dish not only delicious but also visually appealing. Once the buckwheat is cooked, fluff it with a fork to separate the grains and give it a light, airy texture. Add the sautéed vegetables, which can include a colorful mix of bell peppers, onions, carrots, and zucchini. Mix it all together until the vegetables are evenly distributed throughout the buckwheat, ensuring every bite is packed with flavor and nutrients. Season with salt and pepper to taste. This simple seasoning enhances the natural flavors of the buckwheat and vegetables, making the dish even more delicious. Feel free to adjust the seasoning according to your preference, adding a pinch more salt or a dash of pepper as needed. You can add fresh herbs like parsley or dill for extra flavor. Fresh herbs not only add a burst of color but also infuse the dish with a refreshing aroma and taste. Consider experimenting with other herbs like cilantro or basil to create your unique twist on this classic recipe. This pilaf is delicious on its own. The combination of fluffy buckwheat and sautéed vegetables creates a hearty and satisfying meal that can be enjoyed any time of the day. Whether you're having it for lunch or dinner, it's sure to please your taste buds. It's great as a side dish, too. Pair it with your favorite main courses to add a nutritious and flavorful component to your meal. It complements a variety of dishes from roasted vegetables to hearty stews. Serve it with grilled chicken, fish, or tofu. The smoky flavors of grilled meats or tofu blend perfectly with the earthy taste of buckwheat, creating a balanced and wholesome meal. It's a versatile dish that can adapt to different dietary preferences. You can even enjoy it cold as a salad. When served chilled, the buckwheat pilaf takes on a new dimension, becoming a refreshing and light dish perfect for hot summer days. Add some fresh vegetables and a tangy dressing to elevate it further. Buckwheat pilaf is so versatile. Enjoy it in various ways and discover your favorite preparation. Whether hot or cold, as a main dish or a side, it's a delightful addition to any meal. Bon appétit!